You might have heard about Ayurveda or Ayurveda. Many people follow it and implement it, but some criticize it. So there is a dilemma. In this video, I will explain you what is Ayurveda, the science of Ayurveda, why you must follow it, and implement it in your life. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Sukhvinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chaitanya, a channel where you'll find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Today I have started a new series and playlist on Ayurveda. In this playlist, you will find all the details regarding Ayurveda, how you can implement Ayurveda in your life to heal your body, mind and soul. By implementing Ayurvedic and yogic principles together, you can heal and enhance every aspect of your life. We have found that 75% of people watching our videos are not our subscribers. So I will request you to kindly subscribe to our channel, and I assure you that I will keep on bringing unique and quality content to improve your life on every aspect. History of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a holistic, natural system of health originating in India more than 5,000 years ago, perhaps the oldest extant medical system in the world. Ayurveda's teachings are timeless. Ayurveda offers remedies for the illness and it is designed as a preventive system that supports consistent health and longevity. There are three main scriptures of Ayurveda, and these are Charak Samhita, that is compilation of studies of Maharishi Charak, who is known as father of medicine; Sushruta Samhita, compilation of studies of Maharishi Sushruta, who is known as father of Indian surgery and father of plastic surgery for inventing and developing surgical procedures. And the third version is Ashtanga Hridaya by Maharishi Bhagavat, which is concise version of the work of Charak and Sushruta. These three Ayurvedic scriptures are still used today. What is Ayurveda? As per Maharishi Sushruta, the Sanskrit word Ayurved is a combination of two words, Ayur and Ved. Ayur means life and Ved can be translated as knowledge or science. So Ayurveda or Ayurveda is knowledge of life, or the science of life and longevity, or the divine science of life. But Maharishi Charak expands upon this definition by telling us that Ayur is a combination of body, sense organs, mind and soul, and Ved is knowledge or science. Why Ayurveda? Or why you must follow Ayurveda? Or why you must implement Ayurveda in your life? Just as trees, plants and flowers are the part of natural world, so are we, the humans. As you all know that human body is made up of 5 elements, that is fire, air, space, earth and water. The focus of Ayurveda is to bring all these 5 elements back to their natural balanced state. The principle of 5 elements is always at work inside us and around us in the nature. As the seasons change, as the time of the day changes and the years go by, our health depends on our ability to go with the natural flow of life and the nature. We humans and nature are in constant relationship, and Ayurveda as a medical science is based upon this practical, real and exquisite foundation. Ayurveda doesn't specialize. That means it does not focus on healing one organ or one symptom at a time. Ayurveda is a whole system of health. When you exhibit any symptom of imbalance or disease, Ayurveda takes consideration of your physical, mental, energetic and spiritual state. When you approach an Ayurvedic practitioner, they will ask you a variety of questions and perform physical examination. The examination will help them understand the root cause of symptoms and disease. Then they will recommend you treatment for your disease so that you can bring your body back into balance through lifestyle, nutrition, diet, exercise, relaxation, cleansing and medicinal herbs. Once you are feeling well again, then your Ayurvedic practitioner will give you recommendation to maintain this balance and health. Once you are in balance, you will enjoy good health and immunity. Your symptoms will disappear, you will feel less irritable, and you can think more clearly. You will catch fewer colds, and you will stop or reduce suffering from seasonal allergies. You will feel well and you will be able to enjoy your life more. In short, if I have to say in Hindi or Punjabi, जिंदगी का स्वाद आने लग जाएगा. Ayurveda is an ancient wisdom and modern practicality. So this was all about what is Ayurveda, the science of Ayurveda, and why you should follow it or implement it in your life. I hope you will start implementing Ayurveda in your life. What do you have to say about Ayurveda? Comment below and let me know your point of view. In upcoming videos, I will introduce you to in-depth details about Ayurveda, different types of Surya Namaskar, and yoga therapy for different issues. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon with all notifications so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Take care. God bless you all.